Thank you for meeting with me today.
It's a pleasure.
Would you please introduce yourself for our viewers?
Yes, I'm Brenda Penninx. I'm professor at the Department of Psychiatry at Amsterdam UMC in the Netherlands.
You've been doing some interesting work. Please tell us, what is the brain-body-environment approach to psychiatry?
Well, the brain-body-environment approach to psychiatry stands for the fact that we should not only consider psychiatric conditions as brain diseases, because I think it's true for all diseases, but I work in the field of depression, so especially for depression, it's true that we know that the whole body is involved in the disease depression. We know from research that depression is strongly impacting on somatic health, and that there are a lot of dysregulated stress systems in the body. Think about the immune system or the HPA axis that involve the functioning and the health of the entire body. The environment kicks in because lifestyle, that I see as an environmental factor, is extremely important for physical health and for mental health. And through interacting with these stress systems, for instance, lifestyles can really impact on mental health as well.
What are some specific lifestyle interventions you're testing in your laboratory?
Well, our group has focused on two lifestyle factors, one being exercise and one being food and nutrition. And we know from both aspects that they are unhealthier in people with depression. Depressed people are less active and they eat less healthy. So what we are doing is we are conducting trials where we see whether we can first of all change that behavior, and second, evaluate to what extent that change is then also impacting on reducing depressive symptoms. So to give an example, what we are doing is running treatment intervention where we take people 3 times a week and run with them for 30 to 60 minutes and develop an improved fitness in them. And I think it's not a very easy thing to do. We know these behaviors are notoriously difficult to change, but I think with really adequate approaches and treatments where we really take people by the hand and change their behavior, I think we should be able to make impact on mental health as well. The same we are doing in the aspects of, or in the domain of nutrition. There I think it's even harder because we don't know exactly yet how to best approach this, but what we are doing is we are on one hand providing multi-nutrient interventions, and on the other hand we are testing food behavioral treatment where we have people sit with a nutritionist who's well trained and who talks about nutritional patterns, emotional eating behavior for instance, and tries to change that habit. So that's the work that is going on in our lab.
Sounds very exciting. Thank you so much for sharing it with us today.
Thank you.